Good morning, JCG. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. Good morning, Joella C. Good Elementary. This is WJCG News, reporting for our weekly morning announcements via YouTube. My name is Dwayne Hervia.
And I am Chloe Jean Jules.
Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. We are happy to have you watching us on air this morning.
Attention students, the United Way campaign has begun. Pay attention to the school calendar for activities that are happening at our school. Tomorrow we have Superhero Day. Wear your best superhero shirt for $1.
Attention students in grades 3, 4, and 5. FSA Reading Night is on Wednesday, October 23rd. This is a great opportunity for parents to learn about grade level expectations on the FSA.
Students, guess what? You can pre-order your copy of Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Wrecking Ball for a discounted price of only $9.99 plus tax. Students who purchase the book through the Media Center with Miss O'Connor will receive the books at school once they are released. You will also be invited to attend the Diary of a Wimpy Kid movie night in November. Flyers are going home about purchasing the book or speak to Miss O'Connor.
Students, there is no school on Friday, October 25th. It is a teacher planning day.
Just so you know, the Character Book Parade is on Wednesday, October 30th. Stay tuned for more information.
Now to Miss Ruby.
Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. And as you can see, all around the school, there are students representing all their countries. Here we have...
Hi, I'm William Leyva. I am representing my country, which is Cuba.
Hola, mi nombre es Justin. Estoy representando Panama.
So we have just two students around the whole school. You can see all the wonderful dresses from different countries like Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Nicaragua, Peru, all the wonderful countries that we have in Latin America that represent Hispanic Heritage Month, including the Caribbean, like Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and Cuba. Well, hope you have a wonderful day.
Now to Nicolette with today's news.
Good morning, boys and girls. This is Nicolette Caraballo with today's news. Today's news is about a super typhoon that hit Japan. Japan, which gets hit by average of 3 typhoons annually, is no stronger to the powerful tropical storms. However, Typhoon Hagibis, which made landfall in the Shikoku Prefecture at about 7 p.m. local time on October 12, 2019, is the worst storm experienced by the island nation in almost 60 years. Dropping as much as 35 inches of rain in some areas is caused massive landslides, flooding rivers, damaged homes and businesses in 8 of Japan's 47 prefectures. And now to Anthony with today's news.
Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Anthony Baker with today's news. Today's news is about the first all-female spacewalk. Ever since humans began venturing into space, 227 astronauts have left the spacecraft to perform some sort of extravehicular activity. While those 14 have been women, the female astronauts have always been accompanied by a male counterpart. On October 18, 2019, U.S. astronauts Christina Koch and Jessica Muir became the first all-female team to conduct the spacewalk to replace a failed battery controller. The historic event began at 7:38 a.m. ET, when Coach and Mir set their spacesuits to battery power. Live streamed by NASA, it was witnessed by thousands of space fans, particularly young girls aspiring to be astronauts. The scientists who spent 7 hours and 17 minutes fixing the controller and completing their preliminary tasks for the station were able to observe Earth passing beneath their feet. Coach and Mir returned to ISS at 2:55 p.m. ET, where they were greeted with their cheers by their 4 male colleagues. When asked about significance of their mission and this spacewalk, Coach said, "In the end, I do think it's important, and I think it's important because of the historical nature of what we're doing. In the past, women haven't always been in the table. It's wonderful to be contributing to the space program at a time where all contributions are being accepted, when everyone has a role." Mir added that what we're doing now shows all the work that we wanted for decades prior of women who worked here to get us today. Now to Giuliani Virgil with today's news on responsibility.
Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Giuliani Virgil with Values Matter. This month's word is responsibility. What is responsibility? Responsibility is being dependable so people know that they can count on you. Keeping one's word and agreements. Meeting one's commitments. Doing something to the best of one's ability. Being accountable for one's behavior. Accepting credit when you do things right and acknowledging mistakes. Being a contributing member to one's family, community, and sociality. Now to Joanne with core values.
Good morning, JCG. I'm Joanne McKenzie with this month's core value word. This month's core value word is responsibility. Responsibility is the act of being responsible. JCG School Library will be allowing students to check out books soon. So here's ways you can be responsible with the school's books. Treat them with care as you would with any other book. Make sure you don't lose them, and be sure that you like your book. And students, don't forget to use the purple bookmark if you are searching for books. Now here's Kayla with today's weather.
Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Kayla with today's weather. Today's weather will be 80 degrees, fair, and with a 40% chance of rain. Carry those umbrellas. They'll be handy today. Well, anyways, now to Boise with today's yummy lunch.
Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Shoboisi Alozi with today's lunch. Today we'll be having Italian spaghetti, potatoes baked with broccoli meal, chef salad, chicken salad wrap, bananas, lettuce mixed Florida fresh, and mini corn on the cob. Sounds yummy. Now back to our anchors.
Thank you for tuning in to WJCG TV News. We hope you have a fabulous Friday.
Big Tuesday. And keep on reading, boys and girls.
You're gonna have a what? A terrific
Tuesday.
Okay.